मेनिया का केस है तो वो क्लियर आपको बिहेवियरली दिख
हाँ।
जाएगा कि ये दिक्कत हो रही है। स्किज़ोफ्रेनिया का आएगा वो भी आपको क्लियरली दिख जाएगा।
जो इतने क्यूट साइकोलॉजिस्ट आए हैं वो केक लेके आए हैं मतलब
Proper picnic is happening. And people were singing songs, I think, and everybody was just enjoying themselves.
Street light के
Babuji,
yeah,
धीरे
that's
चलो.
my jam. That's my real jam.
Hi everyone, welcome back to season 2 of Desi Dialogues. And before we start, I genuinely want to thank all of you who watched the season 1 of our podcast. And I think it has been such an adventure where we talked about so many beautiful conversations. I think we talked about therapy, we talked about the therapist aspect, women, their representation in media, relationships, and I don't know, so many topics that I think a lot of you enjoyed. And we also loved and enjoyed shooting. So we are very grateful that you showed that much interest, and that's why we thought let's do a season 2.
So in season 2 of Desi Dialogues, we have a special element that we have guests with us. Last season, if you have seen, and if you're not, you should probably go back and see the first season. In the first season, it was just me and Chetna talking about our experiences and the topics she mentioned. So this time, we are bringing people from the field, people who are not majorly from psychology field but have had experiences with mental health and have been working with allied fields. So we have different guests over. So I just want to formally welcome everybody to the first episode of season 2 of Desi Dialogues by your very own Desi psychologist Chetna and Tara.
And with this episode, we have a very special guest, Miss Isha and Miss Apurva, who are currently practicing as clinical psychologists. I think, would you want to introduce yourself?
So I am Apurva Krishnan. I am a clinical psychologist by profession. I have my own private practice in Noida and east of Kailash, that's in South Delhi. Just for people not living in Delhi, I consult at a couple of organizations, and I also consult with that Desi psychologist, so these guys, and I'm also supervising a couple of people with them. Yeah, that's about me.
I think on the very similar lines, I am Isha Karan. I am also a clinical psychologist, and I too have a private practice in Noida. I don't practice in Delhi, unfortunately. And I am also a consultant with various organizations, one of them being TDP, and I'm also a supervisor with the Therapy with TDP program.
We basically started our therapy journey with Isha ma'am and Apurva ma'am, and we have been associated for I think almost last two years.
2 years.
So
yeah.
I think I was missing at the event, but I would love to hear about how did you guys meet. I'll tell my experience how I met both of you, but I think first it was all three of you, and then we met.
So this is a very special story, and I think it is very special because it was such an unexpected turn of events. We hosted this mental health picnic back in 2022. 2022 starting, and I think that's also when TDP started growing as an organization. We hosted this very cute picnic, and in that picnic the forms were available as online, कोई भी कभी भी कुछ भी भर सकता था, and वहाँ पे they both turned up, and we did not know, मतलब we obviously knew कि कुछ psychologists आएंगे, but mostly
बच्चे थे.
yeah, mostly it was students, and then they are coming with carrying this cake.
Oh,
Yeah.
I remember the call I got. So Chetna called me
In the middle of the picnic.
क्योंकि because in the middle of the picnic also, क्योंकि मेरा number भी गया हुआ था. I was not there because I had an exam. So people kept on calling me, so I kept on coordinating with Chetna. So she mentioned बीच में, यार दो इतने cute psychologists आए हैं, वो केक लेके आए हैं मतलब.
केक नहीं, चौमिन, वो सबके लिए चौमिन बना के आए थे, like a proper potluck, and I was like, this is such a sweet gesture by both of you, and I think that generally was very special for someone who was just organizing something कि कोई कुछ लाया.
Nobody bothered to think about your part, like they took your responsibility also part.
Yeah, and
I think for us, when we got to know it's a picnic, that was like our assumption. Because in picnic you bring something to the, like it's a picnic. So that's why I think we got like a lot of
but that was sweet, and I think from then we both were connected to you, and I think फिर we all
I first met both of you online.
Yeah.
Online हम meet कर रहे थे. हाँ, and the first in-person meeting was, I think, the Horsekhas meetup.
Yeah, the Horsekhas meetup where I think that was also very great, and I think
The psychologist mixture and the student mixture that we did. So that was amazing. But I have loved matlab, how we have established TDP therapy with TDP, because very honestly, we started with therapy services initially also, and we couldn't sustain on that. So the second time we were starting with therapy with TDP, we were a little
taken apprehensive about it कि चलेगा नहीं चलेगा because
कैसे
हमें
करें?
करना था, but again we were also very young, we were not having much idea about the business aspect and everything, but I think we were like कि clinical psychologists are already there, and I think we also had Saurabhi then. So Saurabhi is our therapy with TDP project manager, and she has been doing it since the past 2 years as well. I think when she came and when we all sat and then things started being streamlined. I still remember, I think us time maybe because you were in Gurgaon couldn't, Saurabhi, me, and we all had pizzas and we discussed the plan.
because that was last year only, because you went offline to meet both of them. But I think let's ask their experience, like how it has been with therapy, like building therapy with TDP.
Okay, so first, when she suggested that there's a picnic, we had just recently started our private practice, so we needed some exposure, like to interact with other psychologists and just get the word around that we are in the market now. So for me, it was a very professional commitment. Okay, fine. That's why I think I also brought a lot of stuff and a lot of chowmin also, because okay, let's meet and greet type hoga, and it is very like formal for me. When I reached there, it was amazing, because first of all, the venue, Sundar Nursery, like I could not believe that, okay, such a beautiful location for like a picnic, like a proper picnic is happening. And people were singing songs, I think, and everybody was just enjoying themselves. And the art activity that we did, it was wonderful. Like I actually felt that, yes, this had some meaning, because for me, like I said, I felt that it was going to be professional. We are just going to talk about mental health and how everybody is so struggling, and we don't have enough psychologists, which is usually the topic for every meetup. But it was very nice. Like I got to learn something, I got to participate in something. And I mean, I understand that we were, I think, the most senior most people there, but it didn't feel like it. Like it felt like we are the novices and we are just learning that, okay, this kind of activity is also existing.
But I think हम लोगों की इतनी ज़्यादा बनती भी है, and professionally also we have been working, because Tara and me goes together and you both go
like
together.
it's a best friend combo. So that is why also बहुत बार जब आप लोग meetings में होते हो ना, like for people who don't know, क्योंकि so we have अपना therapy के लिए जो meetings होती हैं हमारी, so उसमें आप लोगों की जो बातें होती है very personal understanding कि ऐसा ठीक है ये है. Then me and Chana look at each other कि we get it. So that's also a very good combination. So abhi this recently happened. So me and Chetna were checking out this sheet. Basically Chetna was checking out the sheet and she found a comment about, like, it's a spreadsheet about internship experiences.
Internship experiences and credibility
of
of
the
the
organizations.
Yeah.
So Chetna ने पढ़ा कि okay, organization का नाम है, okay, good. Then she swipe, and the first thing is that कि TDP doesn't have any clinical psychologist.
I was like, ये क्या पढ़ रही हूँ मैं?
So guys, here they are.
They exist. Okay, so they don't exist on social media that much.
But if you can find them very like on our stories,
on LinkedIn and everything, you are
हमारे
there.
posters वगैरह पे भी they are there.
हाँ, so I think a lot of people को ना वो होता है, भरोसा नहीं कि exist करते हैं वाली चीज.
And then they also think कि क्योंकि अभी हम दोनों MPhil में हैं, तो we are not clinical psychologists. So they did not, like, people don't think we actually have a backing with.
Because a lot of people, they do this, right? When they're in the MPhil and they will write clinical psychologist, which is unethical. So they might be confusing you for them.
तुम लोगों के ये credibility वाले question mark को हटाने के लिए, let's open up Instagram handles and let them know that we are existing and we work with them.
This was the tipping point.
By the time we are releasing this,
we will definitely have Instagram and LinkedIn handles that are working.
Yes, we will.
Done.
We would want to put up a collab reel.
Yes, please.
content is Ram Bharose, but
Yes,
it will be
but the
open.
page will be opened and you can prove that.
To summarize this, we have come such a long way where we have had you guys first, then Sorbhi, then our counseling psychologists, Yashi, Pankuri, Alicia, Fiza, and if I'm missing someone, then they also, I'm bad with names, and our CCAs also. So our client care
Oh,
assistants who have always been there, scheduling the sessions, managing the sessions, mailing, coordinating between clients,
the clients,
handling crisis situation also. Matlab,
being available at, like, I have been on calls with them रात को 12 बजे 1 बजे.
No, the CCAs were like your brilliant, you know, the tip of the hat वाला चीज,
Yeah.
feather on your hat जो बोलते हैं ना हम लोग. CCAs, wonderful idea, because they take care of a lot of load from you, and you will not believe we do it for our own private practices, and sometimes I just, you know, feel like
Yeah.
शुभिका को एक मैसेज डाल दो कि मेरा इसको भी वो sort out कर दो, and then I remember, okay, that's not her, you know, job,
Yeah.
but they take away so much of your, you know, burden.
हाँ, even
कि बस
rescheduling
अपने
है,
clients को ही
Yeah.
देखो,
back and
तुमको
forth.
therapy room में बैठना है, and you just need to, you know, talk to them, and that's it. The other stuff will be taken care of by them.
So I think the lesson that we can take from here is having or setting up an organization or a practice, it is just not a client आया और session schedule हो गया. It is so much more than that. I mean, I think people can cry over the management part as of now.
majority of it being back end.
Yeah, a lot of back end work.
So kudos to the whole TDP, CCA team, therapy team. Couldn't have done it without them. So, how has been your experience around clinical cases as clinical psychologist?
किस
मतलब
टाइप के
किस
केसेस
type के
आते हैं?
cases
Like,
आ रहे हैं?
हमारी ऑडियंस बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं तो जानना चाहते हैं कि क्या एक्सपीरियंस होता है आफ्टर बीइंग अ क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजिस्ट.
ठीक है, तो आफ्टर के लिए तो पहले ड्यूरिंग का आई टेल यू, चलेगा? तो मेन डिफरेंस यही होता है कि व्हेन यू आर डूइंग क्लिनिकल केसेस इन व्हाइल यू आर इन एमफिल और व्हाइल यू आर ट्रेनिंग और कहीं पर भी, वेरेवर इफ यू आर इन एन इंस्टीट्यूशन, मोस्टली क्लियर कट होता है, right, where your job is to diagnose. So usually hospitals या clinics उस सब टाइप के में वही लोग आते हैं जिनको एकदम बहुत इशू चल रहा है एंड अब वो बहुत डिसरप्टिव हो गया है, तो वो आ रहे हैं आपके पास. तो यूजुअली वो बहुत क्लीन कट रहेगा. आप उसको असेसमेंट में देख सकते हो, आप उसको सामने बैठोगे तो दिख जाएगा, कई बार टेक्स्ट बुक भी दिख जाएगा. So I think that was there.
What do you mean by like textbook दिख जाएगा?
या सो टेक्स्ट बुक केसेस की जो आप बुक में पढ़ रहे हो कि अच्छा डिप्रेशन के 4 सिम्टम होते हैं, तो वो 4 सिम्टम दिख जाएंगे, क्या वो बंदा रिपोर्ट कर देगा आपको.
या मैनिक का केस है,
हाँ.
मेनिया का केस है, तो वो क्लियर आपको बिहेवियरली दिख
हाँ.
जाएगा कि ये दिक्कत हो रही है. स्किज़ोफ्रेनिया का आएगा, वो भी आपको क्लियरली दिख जाएगा. ये सब चीजें आपको लेकिन प्राइवेट प्रैक्टिस में नहीं दिखती है, बिकॉज प्राइवेट प्रैक्टिस में जनरली वो आते हैं जिनको दिक्कतें हो रही होती है और वो पहले थोड़ा सा स्टेज पे आइडेंटिफाई कर लेते हैं, तो दे विल कम टू यू कि एंजाइटी हो गई, मूड का है, डिप्रेशन के, वो जैसे इसने बोला कि क्लासिक सिम्टम्स वो नहीं 4 दिखेंगे आपको, 2 दिख जाएंगे, तीसरे पे शुरुआत हो रही है, तो वो वहां पे दिक्कत उन्होंने आइडेंटिफाई कर ली. तो वो किसी जनरल प्रैक्टिशनर के पास गए जहां से उनको पता चला कि यू नो probably go and consult a psychologist. उन्होंने गूगल पे डाला तो जो उनके पास आया, या तो ये हो गई या वह हो गई, वो हम आ गए हमारे पास. So we also, you know, as clinical psychologists, जो हम कहते हैं ना कि counseling psychologists take care of, you know, these areas, and clinical psychologists take care of these areas. That differentiation you can only find in an institution, like she said. कि आप private hospital जाओ, government hospital जाओ, schools में जाओ, या कहीं मतलब जहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा बड़ी टीम होगी, आपको डिफरेंशिएशन सिर्फ वही दिखेगा. आपको प्राइवेट प्रैक्टिस में उतना डिफरेंसेस नहीं दिखते हैं, बिकॉज मैं खुद भी आई डील विथ, यू नो, रिलेशनशिप्स, यू नो, केसेस जिनको, यू नो, कपल्स के बीच में कम्युनिकेशन प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, एंड दैट जनरली फॉल्स अंडर, यू नो, आवर काउंसलिंग साइकोलॉजिस्ट, क्योंकि उनको उसी में ट्रेन किया जाता है प्रॉपरली. वो मेरा ज्यादा एरिया नहीं है, क्योंकि मेरे को तो सीरियस केसेस देखने के लिए बोला था ना, कि मेरे को तो उसकी ट्रेनिंग मिली. बट that's just how, you know, the private practice differs from our training period.
I think ये हम लोगों ने भी सोचा था कि हम ये डिस्कस करेंगे कि ये गैप आ जाता है आफ्टर आवर हार्डकोर क्लिनिकल ट्रेनिंग, क्योंकि मुझे मतलब सिंस हम दोनों अभी एमफिल में, राइट नाउ वी आर सीइंग दोस केसेस, वी आर सीइंग दोस पेशेंट्स,
कोर क्लिनिकल केसेस. मतलब अगर मैं स्किज़ोफ्रेनिया देख रही हूँ, मेरे को पूरी फिश दिख रही है वहाँ.
या एंड लाइक सिमिलरली एडिक्शन केसेस हो गए, अब्यूज के केसेस हो गए, एंड इवन ये मेनिया का clear cut as you said कि you are seeing people being over familiar, hypersexuality is there, they are going and buying things randomly. मतलब जितने core symptoms होते हैं, I see it, I'm taking the history and I'm like okay tick tick tick. But again इस चीज में ये भी चीज आती है, there's this whole stigma of labeling a patient. So what do you have to say on that?
See, personally, I don't believe in doing that. So, मेरे पास अगर कोई डायग्नोसिस या स्पेसिफिकली आता भी है कि मैम मुझे असेसमेंट ही करना है फॉर वॉट एवर रीजन, राइट, मुझे लगता है, मेरे को किसी ने बोला कि मुझे ADHD है तो आप डायग्नोसिस मेरा असेसमेंट कर दो, आई डोंट बिलीव इन दैट बिकॉज आई नो दैट यू नो दैट लिमिट्स अ पर्सन. क्योंकि फिर वो certain people you know appreciate that diagnosis because they work better after that. बट मेजॉरिटी हमारी कंट्री में एक तो स्टिग्मा अटैच्ड है एंड वो बहुत दिक्कत हो जाती है कि उसके बाद आगे क्या करूं मैं, वो फिर वो हो जाता है बैरियर अपने आप में फील होने लग जाता है कि अच्छा मैं तो डिप्रेस्ड हूँ, मेरे को तो एंजाइटी है, मैं कर सकती हूँ, मतलब ये सब दिक्कत, ये सब क्वेश्चंस आ जाते हैं. तो आई ट्राई कि जब तक जरूरत ना हो, जब तक या तो कहीं पे ऐसे करना, करेक्ट सिर्फ सर्टिफिकेशन हो, करेक्ट, जहाँ पे आप अवॉइड नहीं कर सकते हो, दैट्स वेयर आई डू दैट. अदरवाइज आई एम लाइक
बट आई थिंक दैट आल्सो स्टेम्स फ्रॉम कि भाई यूजुअली जो क्लाइंट्स आते हैं उनको जब तक आप बोलोगे नहीं ना कि आप डिप्रेस्ड हो, तब तक वो थेरेपी नहीं लेंगे. क्योंकि उनको चाहिए कि पहले तो तुम बताओ मुझे हुआ क्या है. हाँ, तो उनको पहले तो वो जर्नी पे ले जानी पड़ जाती है कि अच्छा डिप्रेसिव सिम्टम्स हैं, डिप्रेशन नहीं है वैसा हार्डकोर.
एक तो सॉरी एक तो मुझे याद है वो seeing one of the patients.
You guys make us miss it more because
Yeah.
right now you guys are in MPhil.
Yeah.
and it hurts. It hurts sometimes because तुम लोग आओगे और हमें बोलोगे कि मैम आज ये वाला केस देखा था या आज मेरे कोलीग के साथ ही हुआ, and we are just looking at each other and we're like why are we not there? Because seasonally also things change. ठंड में थोड़ी ज्यादा different type की दिक्कतें होती है, presentations, गर्मी में different, and
since winters are going on,
SAD भी है, manic भी है.
So when you tell us stories, it is like वाह यार, वापस से एमफिल चले जाते तो क्या पता मजे आ जाते.
No, but I
you miss the education,
मतलब the thrill. I will simply call it thrill.
It is the thrill.
वो thrill जो था ना कि क्या diagnosis निकलेगा, that was like I miss that. But frankly, I enjoy private practice more. Because it requires more skill. I mean, उसमें ना आपको clinical is very like I said clear cut. है ना, ठक 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 सिम्टम ये कर दो, ये असेसमेंट डाल दो, हो गया आपका काम खत्म. थेरेपी आपको देनी है तो आपको बहुत क्लियर है कि इस पे ये थेरेपी बेस्ट सूट करके दे दो आप उसको. बट जब आपके पास प्राइवेट प्रैक्टिस में बंदा आ रहा है, वो 4 एस्पेक्ट खोल के आ रहा है. उसको रिलेशनशिप में भी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, उसके अपने बॉडी इमेज भी इश्यूज हो सकते हैं साथ में, उसको 50 चीजें साथ में. एंड आई ऑल्सो फील दैट clinical psychology, it's an amazing course. I तो recommend it to everybody. Like I did it for you both also.
तो हमने पूछा था जाने से पहले कि
जाए ना, करे ना.
ये नहीं बताया था कि जो होने वाला है.
झूठ मत बोलो, हमने बताया था.
हमने अपनी कहानियां भी बता दी थी. पर ये ट्रेनिंग बहुत जरूरी है बिकॉज वो आपको इतना स्किल्ड बना देता है ना कि आप फिर कोई भी माइन्यूट केसेस भी देख सकते हो. आपकी ऑब्जर्वेंट जो आपकी पावर होती है वो भी बढ़ जाती है. बट थेरेपी में ये बहुत लिमिटेड कोर्स हो जाता है. ये थेरेपी में यहाँ पे वो थेरेपी में आपको बेसिक मोडालिटी सारे सिखा देंगे कि CBT में बच्चा ऐसे करना होता है, REBT में ये करना होता है. पर अगर एक बंदा बैठा है जिसको एक्लेक्टिव अप्रोच चाहिए, तो एक्लेक्टिव आप चुनोगे कैसे? CBT का क्या चुनोगे, EFT का क्या चुनोगे, कैसे चुनोगे कि वो उस इंसान के लिए बहुत फायदेमंद हो? ये आई थिंक एमफिल थोड़ा सा
लैकिंग है. वो एकदम कट टू कट राइड आपको बता देता है कि CBT के ये एरियाज होते हैं, ये वर्कशीट्स आप कर लो तो हो गया आपका.
आई फील एमफिल में ना रिसर्च जो ये सेकंड ईयर में डालते हैं वो हटा के इस पे ज्यादा
मतलब टेक्निकली एमफिल फर्स्ट ईयर इज मेंट फॉर असेसमेंट डायग्नोसिस एंड
सेकंड ईयर फॉर थेरेपी.
पर वो सेकेंड ईयर में भी तुम असेसमेंट डायग्नोसिस ही करते रह जाते हो।
बिकॉज आपके जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, हाँ, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जिसमें आप हैं उसमें तो आपको वही के लिए भेजा जाता है, थेरेपी के लिए तो टाइम चाहिए। और जो बंदा हॉस्पिटल पहुंच गया है वो बैठ के अपने बचपन की बातें नहीं करेगा आपसे।
वो आते भी कितने
हाँ,
दूर दूर से हैं।
अब कोई मतलब वो उनको बस क्विक सॉल्यूशन है
हाँ।
कि मतलब दवाई
अभी
मिली,
बताओ अभी
assessment
कैसे
हुआ।
करना है। एंड सेकेंड ईयर में लाइक फॉर मी तो आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि मेरे लिए बहुत छोटा काम है, बट सेकेंड ईयर में मेरा ज्यादातर काम इसके लिए भी था, जब भी हम गए थे क्योंकि कोविड था तो जब भी हम जा पाते थे मोस्ट काम ये भी होता था कि आप दवाइयां समझा रहे हो,
करेक्ट।
कैसे लेनी है, कब लेनी है, आप यही काउंसलिंग कर रहे हो, फैमिली को भी यही बता रहे हो कि भैया दवाई ठीक से देना, दवाई नहीं दोगे तो ये साइको एजुकेशन इज फाइन। पर सेकेंड ईयर में आपसे हम भी थोड़ा एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं, थोड़ा थेरेपी के लिए बंदा है, कोई नहीं आना चाहता क्योंकि जिसकी हालत हॉस्पिटल तक की हो गई है वो तो अब दवाई करेगा, वो तो करेगा नहीं थेरेपी। और जब तक उसकी थेरेपी की चांस आती है हम पास आउट हो जाते हैं।
ये आई थिंक थोड़ा गैप रह गया है
हाँ,
with the counseling वाला aspect
Yes.
and
Yeah.
also the medication because
yes,
people think कि सिर्फ थेरेपी से ठीक हो जाएंगे, वो भी पॉसिबल
वो भी
नहीं
नहीं।
है, बट सिर्फ मेडिकेशन से भी ठीक नहीं हो सकते हैं। It requires a balanced approach and a collaborative approach between psychiatrist, clinical psychologist and counseling
मेरा तो
psychologist.
मेरी भी एक क्लाइंट है अभी, शीज हैड लाइक 2.5-3 महीने हो गए हैं एंड शी हैड टोल्ड मी पहले ही सेशन में कि मैम मैंने 3 थेरेपिस्ट पहले भी कर रखे हैं, आई हैव गॉन टू देम, 2-3 सेशन के अंदर मैं ड्रॉप आउट कर देती हूँ, सो लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज। I was like, okay, fine, and
Did you take it as a challenge?
I did,
as a psychologist.
I did because I'm like, क्या गड़बड़ हुई है वहाँ पे कि तुम 3 सेशन के बाद जा नहीं पाई हो, तो पहले मैंने वो क्लियर किया, so that kind of made her feel कि अच्छा ठीक है, she's not blaming me or वो suspicion से नहीं देख रही है, and now it's been like 14 sessions. I just had a recent session with her 3 days back, and she said, I like coming here. I like coming here even though I feel so drained after going back home कि मैं घर जाती हूँ और मैं सो जाती हूँ और पूरी रात सोती रहती हूँ कि अगले दिन 12-1 बज जाते उठते हुए, बट क्या है ना, वो दी बुलाती है मुझे फॉर सम रीजन, तो वो बोलती है कि दीदी पता नहीं क्या है ना, ये आपके साथ बहुत ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल फील होता है, मुझे पता है कि आप मेरी दीदी नहीं हो, बट वो ना दी बोलती हूँ और फिर आपको बोलना जब शुरू कर देती हूँ ना, तो आप मेरे को ना मजबूर कर देते हो सोचने के लिए कि क्या दिक्कत चल रही है एग्जैक्टली, और वो मुझे पता है कि वो सही है, क्योंकि वो मुझे फील होता है जब अगले दिन मैं उठती हूँ 12 घंटे की नींद के बाद कि हाँ कुछ तो अलग है, कुछ तो ठीक हो रहा है, एंड that feels very fulfilling. So yeah, but very challenging task.
And to mention this, I have seen both of you amazing client retention rate.
Yeah,
Oh
मैं
my
बता रहा
God.
इसे कॉल पे डिस्कस करते हैं।
हाँ कि मतलब ये क्लाइंट शुरू से चल रहे हैं।
शुरू से चल रहा है, मतलब बिकॉज आई सी अदर साइको, हमारे पास तो पूरा डेटा होता है कि कौन से क्लाइंट्स कितने टाइम तक चल रहे हैं, मतलब नॉट द एंटायर डिटेल्स बट एटलीस्ट वो सारी चीजें, एंड उसमें भी आर लाइक कि इनके क्लाइंट स्टार्टिंग से लेके अभी तक
अभी मतलब if you ask me, I would know both of your clients पूरे क्योंकि वो स्टार्टिंग से ही वो चल रहा है, I see the sheet every month, then I would know.
Yeah,
Touchwood.
but touchwood, yeah. Where is it?
अच्छा wood.
To wrap it up, we have a very fun activity. It's a rapid fire round, and we have questions for you.
Yeah.
So,
but the questions are based on soundtrack.
हाँ, track. Okay. And हम randomly there's no buzzer. We'll randomly say कि किसका वो है, ठीक है? So I'll say the question and then I'll tell कि किसका. Okay.
Immediate answer.
Immediate
should be.
answer. Fat.
So
ठीक है?
it's soundtrack
सोचना
of emotions is the name of the game.
नहीं. Okay.
ठीक है.
What's a song that makes you want to quit everything and go on a road trip? Isha ma'am.
Rapid fire.
काफी rapid.
काफी rapid.
Okay, so soundtrack you mean like a song?
Yeah.
जिंदगी एक सफर
Yeah.
है सुहाना.
Okay. If
This
you're-
is not the definition of a rapid fire.
yeah,
This is
yeah,
a bad
exactly.
game.
What
This
was
was
a
a
trial.
sorry.
This is
Yes.
this
Trial
is a
round.
very bad game. Wait, this is a bad game?
For us.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is why.
We are tube lights.
Okay, So, if your therapy room had a background score, what song would play when a client has a breakthrough? Purva ma'am.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Should we just change the game?
I made
yes.
it.
Huh?
I made it by Kevin Rudolph.
Oh,
I've not heard of it. I like that. वो अलीशा चिनॉय का गाना नहीं है.
क्या देखी है सारी दुनिया.
For some reason
जापान
that
से
is where
लेके रशिया.
they probably because of the background. The background is like too unrealistic, and I think that is where I sit.
We are lousy fire.
Yeah, we are.
Lousy fire round.
Yeah.
okay. Which song do you listen when you need to boost your own mental health? Apurva ma'am.
It's a Malayalam song actually.
Okay.
So there is from Bangalore Days. There are a couple of songs. I won't take the name. So movies, Bangalore Days. I listen to a couple of songs from them, and that kind of boosts me up. So yeah.
Cute. Okay. What's a song that reminds you why you chose to be a therapist in the first place?
Who are you asking?
Who are you asking?
मैं ही भूल गई क्योंकि मैं सॉन्ग सोचने लगी कि मैं क्या करूंगी. You.
Oh, it's a song that made me want to become a therapist. What was that song with Beyonce and that bat? Lemonade.
Lemonade.
Okay.
The video more than the soundtrack.
Yeah, clearly.
What song that makes you feel like you can ace any exam or presentation?
I'll go.
Okay.
There's,
मैं आपसे पूछने वाली थी.
there's this song by Jessie J.
Huh.
It's called Do It Like a Dude.
Okay.
Yeah, I love that song, and that is my jam.
I'm going to listen to these songs. जैसे recording जब देखूंगी.
Yes, please.
Done. ठीक है. What's the most embarrassing song you secretly love? Apurva ma'am.
I love the 90s pop. जिसमें होता है ना
Hi, Mirchi. Uff, Mirchi.
yeah. वो एक गाना है ना वो जो बाबूजी वाला.
बाबूजी धीरे
नहीं.
कौन सा?
Street light के
बाबूजी.
Yeah, that's my jam. That's my real jam.
I can listen to
I
that.
love the vibe. The way
clinical बाबूजी जी. But that's the reality.
Yeah.
yes. Yeah, let's not be on pedestals where we're like, Hanji, what are you feeling?
With the cardigans on.
Yeah. हम बाबूजी धीरे चलो सुनते हैं.
और खुश होते हैं.
Okay, last question. If your life had a credits roll at the end, which song would play?
Very tough
Yeah.
question.
ये हमारी टीम मेंबर्स के काम है. एंड मिनट वाले काम है.
Why are they doing this to
That
us?
one. Bye. By NSYNC.
And
She
Yeah.
listens to a lot of English songs basically,
Yeah.
and you still remember the names. I don't.
नहीं मतलब वो वही
बाबूजी
याद है।
चलवा दे आपके भी एडिट क्रेडिट
लगा
लगा
दो,
दो
चला
मुझे
दो।
लिपस्टिक।
अबे वो मेरा नहीं है, वो तेरा है.
तेरा कॉफिन हिलेगा आर डिस्ट्रिक्ट. हाँ,
No, thank you, no.
तेरा
No.
फ्यूनरल पायर.
No. But songs from this thing, Chaya Chaya वाला जो song नहीं है,
हाँ.
Chaya Chaya भी पसंद है मुझे. And ताल के
क्रेडिट पे
songs.
कैसे
नहीं,
ताल पे
नहीं.
ताल मिला?
I don't know. I just like that.
मनोज
Like,
बात कौन सा ताल मिला रही है?
I just like that.
रैपिड फायर गाइस.
Yeah. She's making
rapid fire is not supposed to be like with reasons. It's supposed to be there.
I know.
आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा, आप कभी फ्री एसोसिएशन कर रहे हैं और वो इंटरप्रिटेशन चल रहा है, कौन सी सॉन्ग चल रहे हैं.
We're very
Acha,
bad at it.
before we
very-
end,
Yes.
we also have a special hamper for
Oh,
Really?
both of you.
Yes.
thank you so much.
Coffee with Karan वाला hampers वाला feel
अब
है यार.
हम respectful psychologists.
yes.
Oh,
Thank you.
thank you.
Now we're senior psychologists.
Oh my god. Too senior.
Okay, so with this, let's just wrap this episode. And thank you so much for being here. And please subscribe to our channel.
You
YouTube.
can follow them
if
When we
and
make
when
our
we make
and
Instagram
we are
profile.
hopeful कि by the time we are releasing
Launching
this,
and
they
releasing
have.
this.
Oh yes.
You
we
can
definitely.
follow Dash. I'll
Yeah.
add the username.
He'll be
नीचे.
coming here down.
But I think we all had like a great time with them, and with this we just want to say please subscribe and
Like, follow, and share.
So subscribe. Yeah, and
They're all ready to be on the gram.
Yes.
And also, we are going to have a lot of new insightful conversations around mental health in the upcoming episodes. So make sure you're watching it. Stay tuned and bye.
Bye.